In front of me is AGM Mobile Smart Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then to pick any of the available themes, tap on the best one. Select key borders by tapping on this switcher, or disable them completely by clicking on the same one. And when you finished, hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, click on the same color palette, tap on this plus under my themes, and tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale. We'll try a different photo because this one is too big. Maybe this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move. And select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!